what's up guys, it's Cody with 3D Printing and Technology. So today's video is a kind of an update video of what's going on. But the most notable thing is that PEI has released a new update. It pretty much consists of, well, you can read it on the blog. I'll link down below if you want to read it. But it pretty much consists of, if you go to the website and you click on the About and Blog, that whole page has been redesigned to be somewhat of a community makerspace type page. It's like a 3 hubs Thingiverse type fab to it. But the new site page, or at least what I've read so far, is going to have an interactive map to it that you can post online if you have MK2S, I believe. I'm not really sure, I haven't had much hands-on with it yet. But you can let people know that you have one, and then if you want to show it to them, you can back them over and they can see it hands-on if they're interested in buying one. And there's going to be a printing on demand aspect to it as well. I guess you can print for local customers, somewhat similar to what 3 Hubs tried once. Also, so if you've been following PEI website for a while, you know they have models online, but they're taking it to the next step by allowing you to upload G-code as well to their online database. So I guess it's somewhat similar to Thingiverse, except that Thingiverse you can't use G-code. So that's essentially what PEI's new release is a updated community makerspace type website. I'll probably do a full review or hands-on with it later on in another video. But that's the summary of what their new release is about. So the 2 or 3 more other things I want to talk about in this video is that I did order a textured PEI sheet, I think that's what it's called. It's not a PEI one. I found another source of it online that I'm going to test out. But here's what it looks like. It's about a couple of millimeters thinner than the double-sided PEI sheet, the regular one, smooth one. So hopefully I'm going to test this out in a later video, see how good it does, if it holds up to the quality that the other sheet does. So this is the smooth PEI plate, one that shipped with the upgrade kit. So that's one you've seen in the last video. So this one to the side, and here is the new textured PEI sheet. See, it fits pretty good on here. Gets a nice finish. As you can tell, it's thinner than the other one. And the next announcement that I was going to make in this video is that I have an eShop set up. It's 3D Printing Technologies, obviously, but later on the name probably change something else. But it's essentially a 3D printer parts store. You can buy print parts from like E3D or any other type brand, and you can also buy Filament. I have plans to release resin and pretty much every part you need to build a printer with on the site eventually. But right now we're just getting started up. So there's a few filament samples and a few print parts on it already. I'll leave a link down below as well if you want to check that out. And the final thing I want to talk about is my PEI printer. So if you saw in the previous video, one before that, I upgraded it from the PEI i3 MK2S to the PEI i3 MK2.5. I fixed a few problems like the power supply that was burnt out and that fuse that was installed incorrectly on the control board, but it still has more problems with it. So the current state of it is still getting min bed temp. The heat bed assembly is new wires. The control board has been reset by the manufacturer. New fuses, new power supply. I've tried printing and 70, 75 degrees Fahrenheit, like outside temps. See if I would stop it. So nothing has fixed it yet. So my guess right now is it's still a software glitch, but I've updated the firmware to the newest one, so I should have fixed it, but it's still an issue. So I'm looking more into that. I haven't tested the MK2.5 filament sensor out on it yet because I've ordered the new one, the MK2.5S upgrade. I have it here, so that's probably gonna be a upgrade video coming soon. But it's still ready to be installed. Got all the parts printed. Just got to find time to do it, to install it. So here's the new filament sensor parts. Here's the 3' parts. I did on the monoprice again. And you got about 3 bags of parts, new textile sleeve, some PEI filament, and unfortunately there's no gummy bears in this one. And the MK2.5 extruder has started making a squeaking noise. Haven't really had time to look into what could be causing it, but there's that new issue now. So yeah, and also I'm still working on getting a new camera set up for the studio. Still filming off an iPhone, so hopefully that's fixed soon. But that's pretty much all the updates and already stuff I wanted to cover in this video. Anyway, that's gonna wrap up this video for this week. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, or I promise the rest videos first, click subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.